Hello everyone, and in today's video, I'm going to be continuing to go over how to start a YouTube automation channel. We've already gone over how to choose a niche. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to research video topics. Okay, so the first way I come up with video topics is by simply using the Google search bar. So essentially what I'll do is that I will literally just type what idea generally I have in mind. So let's pretend basketball trade rumors, and I'll type that in and then I'll organize it by news, and I'll just see what articles are coming up in here. So when it comes to selecting video topics, what really works no matter what niche you're in is when there's two opposing sides to a party. So it's like party A versus party B. So notice how in this article here, NBA trade rumors, Jazz are open to offers for Donovan Mitchell. Do you see how it's like Donovan Mitchell versus the Jazz? Donovan Mitchell trade rumors. So do you see how it's Donovan Mitchell versus all these teams that he's planning to join? This doesn't just apply for the basketball niche. This applies for any niche in which you can kind of term your topic in a way in which it's one party versus another. What has been going on that's really popular in the celebrity niche is Johnny Depp, for example, versus Amber Heard, or it's been Will Smith versus Chris Rock. So do you see how what makes a good viral faces video topic is usually, at least when starting your channel, it's when there's drama between two parties and two parties are going up against each other. So the Google News is probably my #1 source for finding articles. I'll simply just type in whatever topic idea I have in mind, and then I'll just sort through what I believe is good potential topics for my channel. So the second way that I find video topics is by using Tubebuddy. So with Tubebuddy, it does require a paid legend plan. Down below in the description, you can use my 20% off discount code to get 20% off your annual plan of Tubebuddy. It does require a legend membership, but this is my second way of coming up with topics. So when you first log into Tubebuddy, as you see here, you click on the competitors card. When you click on manage, you can start adding channels. So these are just some really popular YouTubers whose videos I like seeing, but you can click on this add competitor button, and then you can add the channel URL, and then it'll be imported into Tubebuddy's competitor scorecard. So you're allowed a max of 10 competitors added into here, but once you have some YouTube channels added, you simply just click on the scorecard button here, and notice how it's generating a scorecard. And this is going to give you a lot of information. So what it does is that it organizes it by lifetime, the last 30 days, and then most recent videos. So the lifetime card, it shows you what channels, how many views lifetime this total channel has had, how many subscribers they totally have, and how many uploads they've done within their lifetime. So you can see that this channel here, Jordan Matter, has gotten over 3 billion views on YouTube. All right, that's insane. But now this comes the next breakdown part, which is the last 30 days. So you can just see the performance of each individual channel as compared to the last 30 days. And notice the frequency of uploads, okay? These channels that are absolutely crushing it, they're not uploading a lot, are they? And you can see, compare it in the graph form, subscribers per day, uploads per day. And then this is what I use for coming up with video topics. I'll keep track of what my competitors are posting, and then also keep track of what videos have worked well for them and what videos have not worked well for them. So if I was planning to do a video related to the keyword of Mr. Beast, I would see how many views this individual here who posted this similar video with the keyword Mr. Beast, how many views it gotten and what the published date is. So this works a lot better when you actually add similar competitor channels into here, because you can see what they're posting and see what videos worked for them and see what videos didn't work for them. And based on what videos have worked for them, perhaps maybe you want to create a similar video that worked for them onto your own channel as well. So that will also deem for a good possible video topic idea. So I use this probably the second most, which is really good. Okay, like I said, you can add 10 competitors, and it's going to show you the 5 most recent uploads of each competitor and what their performances were and what their published dates were. Moving on to the third way, which I come up with video topics, I use the VidIQ tool. So with the VidIQ, I don't use this too often, but it does help you find currently trending viral videos. So when you have VidIQ installed, you want to click on this most viewed column here on the left-hand side. And once you click on that, you can add a keyword that you'd like to see trending videos for. So what I like about this feature on VidIQ is that you can type in a keyword here. So let's pretend that I want to look up to see what viral videos are occurring that were related to the keyword of through LeBron James. So when I click on search, it's going to organize it based on views per hour. So views per hour, the higher the number, the more viral that video is. And the date range is past 7 days. So what I'm looking at here is I'm looking how many views it's gotten and how many subscribers the channel has, because the idea is that if the video has 1.3 million views like this one and it only has 130,000 subscribers, you know that this video has appeared in the YouTube algorithm. So this video is called LeBron James gives swaggest respect to Scottie Pippen Jr. for carrying the Lakers. So maybe you want to make a similar video to that, except in a faceless style covering that topic, because this is a really good indicator. 1.3 million views, 130K subs, and this video was posted 6 days ago. So that is a currently viral video. Scrolling down, like again, we're comparing the views to the number of subscribers, and ideally what we want to find is the number of views being higher than the number of subscribers. So not finding any more, unfortunately. So this one's 110,000 but 2.7 million subscribers. So this one here, Scottie Pippen Jr. dominates in front of LeBron James at Summer League, 190,000 views, 11K subs. When you come across videos like this kind of gives you the idea that maybe I should create a video on Scottie Pippen Jr. because this individual posted this video 6 days ago. They only have 12K subs, but that video has gotten 200,000 views. So that video was put into the YouTube algorithm. Videos like this, I do use this, and when I do use this, I find really good video topics that I would have never thought of. Like, so if I was in the basketball niche, I would create a video very, very similar to this video here. So really like this, I would create video topics like this, but that is the third way that I come up with video topics. Now, the last way I come up with video topics is simply just using the YouTube search bar. So very similar to the VidIQ status. I like VidIQ better because it organizes it based on views per hour. Going back to here, if I type in LeBron James, I can still organize it by views, but I just don't think it's as robust, but this still does work. So let's say posted within the last month, and we want to filter it by view count. Okay, so with that being said, I simply just scroll through here, and what I'm looking for is, again, underrated videos in which the channel who posted that video more views than the channel had subscribers. And so I'll just browse through here looking for video ideas. And I do use this tactic a lot, in which I'm just keeping note of video topics, certain names that come up, certain channels that come up, because whenever I find a channel that I like, so let's pretend going back to here, such as Sports Wars, 120K subs, I'll usually add this channel to my Tubebuddy scorecard so I can keep track of them. With these 4 methods of coming up with researchable topics, they can all kind of blend in together. So notice how I said here on VidIQ, you can click on Sports Wars and actually go into their channel, and then you can actually copy and paste this channel into Tubebuddy so that you can start keeping track of what videos they have been posting recently that's worked for that channel. So I definitely recommend using Tubebuddy. It's my favorite tool by far. The VidIQ version, I think you can kind of get by with just the free version. You'll still be able to see how many subscribers a channel has, and you can still also use their side tools like such as these ones. But overall, when you're kind of running out of ideas, these 4 methods of researching video topics should be great in helping you find your next video topic idea. These are the ones that I use personally as well to come up with viral video topic ideas for my very own channels. So once you've got your first few topics selected, the next thing to do is create your video. So make sure to watch this video next in order to learn how to create a faceless, potentially viral YouTube automation video.